Meanwhile, the residents of Kitui and Makueni Counties are excited about the future economic prospects of the region due to what they term as beneficial progress in the ongoing construction of Kitui-Kibwezi Road. Recarpeting of the road began in 2016 at a cost of 18 billion shillings, and so far the residents of the two counties are enjoying ease of transport and improved trade even as they look forward to completion of the project in December this year.
The Kitui-Kibwezi Road connects the counties of Kitui and Makueni and stretches all the way to the northern corridor. Residents are already reaping fruits of the project even before its completion. Benedict Musenge, a driver who plies the Kitui-Mutomo routes, narrates how commuting between the two towns has been made easy thanks to the tarmacking.
Hii barabara tumeitumia wakati wa mchanga. Ilikuwa ukitoka hapa asubuhi ukienda Kitui unachukua kama karibu masaa matano. Unapiga trip moja kwenda na kurudi unalala. Lakini saa hii ukitoka hapa ukienda Kitui unachukua kama 45 minutes.
Karanja Kaburia, a businessman from Nanyuki and who sells cabbages at Mutomo, says that initially he and fellow small-scale traders avoided the road due to its poor state.
Nowadays naona ukiwa kuzuri juu barabara imetengenezwa, magari ikunywi mafuta, beleni kulikuwa kubaya. Barabara ilikuwa bovu, mashimo, magari inakata machuma, hata mtu akipewa kazi ya huku anakataa.
For Mary Mulatia, another resident of Mutomo, life especially during the rainy seasons is now bearable.
Nataka kushukuru serikali yetu kuu chini ya uongozi wa His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta akiwa na mbunge wa Kitui South Honorable Dr. Recho kwa kutuletea lami, kwa sababu hii lami imekuwa ikiulizwa sana na wabunge wengi.
Sasa niko na nafasi ya kwenda kila mahali. Maana magari ni nyingi, barabara ni nzuri, kwa hivyo
construction of the road is at an advanced stage and residents hope it will be completed in December as projected. At the moment, work is concentrated around Migwani area. Also notable is the emergence of townships along its routes, which residents say have opened up the two counties to investors both local and from other regions. Beatrice Gatonyengetich, Channel 1 News.